I can just 3D model it and the machine does the rest. I kind of made rocket engines in my basement. Hi everyone, Jason at the Makera Open Source 2025, and I'm joined now by one of the feature creators this year, Joel from Integza. Thank you so much for dropping by. So my first question is, how do you take that idea and turn it into a thing? Like, what's your typical workflow to get from point A to your end result? I think my method is to fail as quick as possible. Okay. Just because if I know where I'm going to have the trouble in making this out, right? I can actually focus on that aspect of the design. I click this link, I go to that link, and then I find this weird exotic paragraph about a new stuff. I'm just like, I want to do this. I want to make this. I know you do 3D printing, CNC machining. Are you the kind of person that likes to sketch things out before you dive into CAD, or are you straight into your CAD and then you're processing? Yeah, I think I dive directly into CAD. Okay. It's just because I prefer to project directly what I have in my mind to the CAD. And so I never really sketched. Nowadays, actually, for my projects, I prefer to use 3D printing as a jig. So I can better CNC machine the part. And again, making mistakes, finding the solutions, moving forward, that is awesome. What are you excited for about the show this year? I would say the main reason is just talking to people. Because that kind of interaction in which you learn new stuff, you kind of debate about subject that you love. That's awesome. Of course, thank you for dropping by and all the cool projects you're doing, not only with the Carvera machines and things like that. Of course, stay tuned for more collaborative talks with more awesome makers like him here at Open Source 2025. Thanks again. Thank you so much.